Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share your location on iOS 26 step by step. There are two main ways to share your location. First one is using the Find My app. So first of all, open the Find My app on your iPhone. Then tap on People at the bottom left corner of your screen. Here you should see an option that says Start Sharing Location. Simply tap on that, follow the on-screen prompts and your location will be shared with the person you choose. Second, you can share your location through the Messages app. Open the Messages app and go to a conversation with the person you want to share your location with. After that, tap on the plus icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. Then scroll down and tap on Location. Then tap on Share and choose how long you want to share it. For example, 1 hour, until the end of the day, or indefinitely. Once you tap on Send, your location will be shared with that friend instantly. And that's all. That's how you can share your location on iOS 26 quickly and easily. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching till the very end and I'll see you in the next one.